Hello, my name is Imad Milki, and I'm going to introduce a tool that I did that transfers, that takes off the quantities from AutoCAD files into Excel files and organizes them into tables. So I've already drawn some polylines on the AutoCAD, which will be translated into the Excel file as quantities. We'll start by running the tools directly. Load, macro, and let's watch. This is the file where we are going to input the quantities. And there is almost nothing, no sheets, only the QS openings and blank sheets. Let's run the tools. This is no magic. We are using VBA runs and VBA macro to run the tools and input the quantities. We started by the quantity, the concrete quantities, columns, slab and shear wall, everything is quantified. Now the masonry, same. This is a bigger file. If we everything, all the polylines are tagged with numbers. Even the doors are deducted from the drawings. We can see them directly on the drawing. This is amazing. And let's go to the plaster quantities now. And everything is being inputted with its own tag. Everything is tagged. Okay. Now the last file, floor finish. Done. We are going to for this drawing I'm going to only input the block, show the block as quantities. If you take the polyline, this is a living room where we are going to do a special type of tiling. It's 34 square meters, 33.99 square meters, 33.99 square meter. If you open the Excel file, this is tagged 20, tag 20 here is 33.99. It is directly inputted into the Excel file. The only thing remaining to submit the takeoff to the engineer is only to put some titles on the Excel file and a layout on the AutoCAD file, and you can submit it to the engineer. It's done. Now let's move to the other part where we as QS engineers make the difference. Now we are going to input all the quantities into one table and analyze the quantities, at least summarize type 2, and this is it. We have all the quantities that we taken off in these sheets into one sheet. floor finish, plaster quantities, masonry, concrete, all in one sheet. Now a pivot table, apply a pivot table. Total quantity, item name, maybe no, here we did one floor, this is the one floor, and we have everything in front of our eyes, a summary of all the quantities taken from a detailed tables that are taken from detailed quantity takeoffs. Amazing. This is how you do very fast quantity take.